Hello guys, this is Team Dragon. I've been long time recording YouTube, many days or many months. So I'm playing Landic. I don't know what's the word, but I'm just playing. It's a new game in IO. So I'm just playing it. So let's go. My first time. Unless I'm lagging. Oh my dear. What the? What? Did I just die? Wow, I'm so weak. So the rules here just like that. Oh. I'm lagging. I'm gonna kill this guy. Boom! Died. So I'm rank 14. Easy to play, just get some luck and there. Let's just quickly playing. Boom. He died. I'm happy he died. OMG, I'm already rank 10. Boom! My first die. Okay. I'm the rank 9 already. Because I'm lagging because there's so many players. I better go. Locating your base. He's gonna make some pew, right? Guys. I know it. Oh, map is 4. Joining new lobby. Okay. The same this in new lobby. Is this the same? Oh. They're gonna kill me. And boom, he died. I did. What? There's a guy here. Boom, he died. This guy. Okay. What is that? Man, I am freaking lagging. Boom! He died. Better, he died. Oh, funny. So I'm gonna get all of my blocks. Boom! See, I end up killing, see. I know what? He's gonna die. I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna own this. Come on. Boom! Okay, rank 6. Yes, he died. Yes, I am rank 4. Yeah, guys, can you see my name? I'm rank 5. I'm already rank 5. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, I'm already rank 7. GG. Rank 6. How many colors these? Color. I'm already rank 4. 30. Yes! Exact time. Okay, rank 5. Go there. Yes. Continue. Take the blue. Jump there. Boom! Yeah, in your face. What? I hate this guy. Okay, rank 3, guys. I am already rank 3. So, maybe not the pieces here. I'm already playing. Boom! I died. Easy to play guys, I lang ako. All of them. To get my place. Oh guys, I died. Man. GG, that guy is strong. Yeah, I hate that. We're cheating again. I can start again, guys. So let's go up. Boom. 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 I'm actually kill chain. I killed them all. Don't you dare make me go. See the perfect thing. Hindi ka nag-wait niya, ha? Hindi na bitaw pa, almost. But interesting is really big. Oh, that the Victor just killed me. Gee. Oh, jeez. Wow. This blue is cool. Wow, that high. You have so many things to do that thing. Okay guys, can you please sub me for something? Just sub everyone, but still I just only a new guy in YouTube. I don't know still this. I just creating only one YouTuber because I still don't know how to play. So I just only playing this in Minecraft. So maybe many times I really want to get some money. So please sub me and Rainbow Chocolate. It's my friends. Don't know what to say. KO. KO. Boom! I died. I did a win. It's so weird. I just know how to do this. There are so many go here. Again. I play chili. And who's this guy? I'll pick the button. Nope. There. I play GG. I know that. What is this for the bread? Oh, you mean this? 2 chili? No, Heart Vegas. I'm so sorry. I'm going to spin you. I'm not in casino. I don't know how to make this again. Map is full new, Lovey. Okay, guys. This is gonna be weird. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Soon in the time. Ba-boom! I die, you. Wow, this blue is nice. Don't you eat my place. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, guys. So thank you for coming. Can we get only 5 likes? Thank you, guys. See you. See you in the next day. So thank you. What? I don't know why. Just speaking English. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Okay, just thank you for this. Can we get a 5 likes and please sabi only I think 5 or more. So thank you, guys. See you tomorrow or next day. So I don't know. Just I'm gonna put maybe tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you.